So this is the Yamaha Chappy with a fresh bottom end rebuild. Let me see if it'll run here. I have, I think, an issue where there's something going on with the carb. I have cleaned it, but I obviously did not clean it well enough. I've already run the engine and it runs pretty good. The issue is that when I have this, I thought originally this was leaking. It's not. It's actually the carb is backing up when this is on and is coming out on the bottom of the air filter. So there's definitely, that's not right. So there's a problem there that I got to address. But what I'm thinking is I'll take it apart. Probably there's something going on with the float. It's stuck. Maybe it's bad and it's just not closing, shut off. But I need to find out what's going on with that, obviously. But let's give it a start, and I think you'll hear a big difference between the first video and this one. Oop, I'm gonna turn it on. But that's the right amount of smoke that you should be seeing coming out of a two-stroke, and that's what it should sound like. Do you remember what it sounded like the first time? Yeah, it shouldn't sound like that. This is what it should sound like. You'll notice that the rear wheel is not turning. That's because I have it in neutral. So this right here is the neutral, low, and then drive. And it drives, it snaps right in. So as you can see, turned it neutral and it just took off. And that is how you do the bottom end rebuild on a Yamaha Chappy.